Hello class 7, welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 3.4 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before starting the exercise, here are some points to remember. Question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. There are three situations. First one is certain to happen. Certain to happen, it means fixed, means this will happen. Fixed or sure or definitely going to happen. Inevitable, it means there are situations which is going to happen at any cost. If today is Monday, so tomorrow is Tuesday, so this will certain to happen. Second one is impossible. Impossible means can't happen at any cost. It means if today is Sunday and I ask, is tomorrow Friday? So no, it is not possible. Third one is can happen but not certain. So there are chances but not surety. There are chances but no surety. So first one is you are older than yesterday. It means if today is my birthday, so tomorrow I will be one day older. So yes, first one is yes, it is certain to happen. Answer. Second is a tossed coin will land heads up. So there are chances what I get. I can get head or tail. So it can happen but not certain. It can happen but not certain. Third is a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. So it is not possible, it is impossible, because in die only numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 8 is not there. So it is impossible. So third one is impossible. Answer. Fourth one is that next traffic light seen will be green. So there are three colors in traffic light. First one is red, then second one is yellow and third one is green. So it is not possible, or it can be possible but not sure. So it can happen but not certain. Fifth, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. So weather is not always same. We can say it changes within minute. Even weather forecast always not give correct information. So we can say that it is certain. It can happen but not certain. Answer. Question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. So here 6 marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and numbers written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 marbles here. Now first part is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So there is only one marked. This is 2. Only this is 2 number marble which is written over here. So there is only one marble with number 2 marked on it. So first part answer is probability of drawing a marble with number 2 is how many total marbles? Total marbles 6. And what is the chance to get 2? Only one chance. So this is 1 answer. Second is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? So there is only one marble with number 5 marked on it. You can see here only one chance to get number 5. So probability of drawing a marble with number 5 equal to how many marble? Total 6. And what is the chance to get 5? Only one chance. Answer. Question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? So we all know that a coin has two faces. Here, suppose we have one coin. It has two faces. This is coin, tail or head. So one is head and other one is tail. Now one team can choose either head or tail, anyone. So after flipping the coin, we can get either head or tail. So there are total 2 chances. So probability of our team starts first. Probability that our team starts first equal to, which is my chance, head or tail, anyone, one chance, and total chances 2. 1/2 answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.